This is an Industry Today webcast produced by Industrial Info Resources of Sugar Land, Texas, bringing you the latest trends in the industrial market, providing the scoop on companies that are leading the way with innovation, new technology, and services that keep industry growing and moving forward. This is Peggy Tuck, your host for this segment of Industry Today. Our guest company today is Aecon Industrial, and joining me on the phone is Chad Urbshott. He is the Business Development Manager for Aecon Industrial. Welcome to the show today, Chad.
Thanks, Peggy. Thanks for the introduction.
Well, why don't we start out with, give me some background on Aecon Industrial and tell me specifically what you do.
Sure thing, Peggy. Aecon Industrial is a division of Aecon Construction Group, Inc. We're the largest publicly traded construction company in Canada with over $2.5 billion in revenues. There are four divisions within Aecon. Our Buildings Division, who focus on hospitals, high-rise offices, post-secondary schools, etc. Our Infrastructure Division, who focus on highways, hydro dams, airports, etc. Concessions Division, who invest in and take equity stake in our own construction projects. And then my own division, Industrial. The Aecon Industrial Division is a multi-trade heavy industrial contractor focusing on construction and fabrication projects in the power, nuclear, oil and gas, mining, and oil sands sectors. And we direct hire all trades in almost every discipline and have the largest pipe fabrication and module assembly capacity in the country.
You do this on a global basis?
Mostly in Canada, but we are venturing into the U.S.
Why do customers actually come to Aecon Industrial?
I guess there's a few things that our customers would say. First of all is our safety record. It's unparalleled in the business. We enjoy a lost time injury rating well below the industry average. They come to us for quality. Our repair rate is almost negligible. We consistently get the job right and done on time. And one thing we also do is we regularly conduct what we refer to as client looking for value-added interviews. And these are typically conducted by our senior management after a project is complete. And this is opposed to just sending a general customer satisfaction survey. And the idea behind this is they solicit feedback from our clients about our performance and what we can do to improve and make the next job better. And what this does is it strengthens our relationship with the client. And in summary, our clients would just say we are generally viewed as a high-performance contractor.
I'm sure there are other companies that do what you do out there, so tell me what really sets you apart from others in the market and what's most important about what you can bring to the table.
Well, there are a number of things that we believe that make us unique, such as our modularization expertise. We have built over 1,500 modules over the past decade. We, as I mentioned before, have the largest pipe fabrication and module assembly capacity in Canada. We've been in the nuclear business for over 25 years, and we provide a service which we refer to as construction-led EPC projects, and this is typically provided in the power generation market, which is our niche. And regarding our EPC work, we have the ability to wrap risk and deliver the project throughout the build stage. Our value is our ability to take the construction risks and deliver a turnkey operating plant. We're also the forefront on technology, and I'd also like to say that we're applying for our ASME N stamp, and the audit is in January of 2011, or just in a couple months. And what this allows us to do is to fabricate pressure parts for the U.S. nuclear market.
And, of course, we're starting to see some growth there as well, again, not only in just the markets here, but, of course, globally as well, which is good. Can you give me maybe some examples of success that you've had with a client?
Yeah, I've got a couple, actually. The first one, a couple years back, there was a large power plant being erected locally to us, and a longtime client of ours came to us with a problem. The site was very congested, and there was just not enough room to erect the utility piping by the conventional stick-build method. They'd never really taken the modularization approach before, but awarded us the contract to take the conventional stick-build design and convert it into a modular solution. So we assisted in the redesign to transform the conventional stick-build design into proper transportable pipe racks, then fabricated and assembled them off-site at our module yard. and the project ended up being a major success, which helped to deliver a critical path item and keep the schedule in check. And another example that just happened recently, at a local nuclear power plant where we're refurbishing 2 reactor units to return them to service, there were 6 condenser cooling water pumps that needed to be refurbished upon discovery and unbeknownst to the owner. Well, they came to us to ask if we could do this, and this work was not anticipated as part of our overall project and was going to throw the schedule off. So the decision was made by the project manager at site to refurbish these pumps in our fabrication facility versus site in order to improve the schedule. Well, this had never been attempted before, and there was a lot of hesitation by the owner, and it wasn't an easy task removing these pumps as they weighed over 6 tons apiece. However, we cut many weeks off the schedule refurbishing them in our shop versus the field, and everybody was ecstatic how quick we got these done. And since these pumps were on a critical path item, we were able to keep the entire project schedule in check.
Chad, how can someone get more information about Aecon Industrial?
Well, we have a couple of websites. We have our parent website, which is Aecon, and that's at www.aecon.com, and Aecon is spelled A-E-C-O-N, as in Nancy. Or you can go to our industrial website, which is currently being revamped, but it is at www.industrial.aecon.com. As well, you can reach us at 519-653-3200, or you can email me directly at, my name is Chad Urbshott, and that's Urbshott, so it's C-U-R-B as in Bob, S as in Sam, H-O-T-T at aecon.com.
And again, that email address is curbshott@aecon.com. The phone number is 519-653-3200. Check out their websites, either aecon.com or industrial.aecon.com. Chad Urbshott is the Business Development Manager for Aecon Industrial, and he has been my guest this afternoon. Thank you so much for joining me, and much continued success with your company.
Thanks for having us on, Peggy.
For Industry Today, this is Peggy Tuck. Be sure to follow us on Twitter, Facebook, and on the web at www.industrialinfo.com.